All right, so let's take a peek at what's happening outside right now. What we've got for the rest of the night tonight should be a fairly good-looking forecast. Again, we got a little bit of cloud cover drifting through. Not bad, though. The one caveat I'll tell you that really is kind of a stinker tonight, we've got mostly clear skies. The aurora borealis, yes, northern lights, very, very strong across the northern tier of the United States. Unfortunately, we're kind of tilted away from that. I've seen some great pictures tonight from northern Iowa and up towards the Dakotas, but afraid we're going to miss out on that for sure. So, oh well, nice to see that if we could. All right, here's what we're watching. We've got a little tiny area of low pressure off of the Vancouver Island, western British Columbia coastline, bringing some light scattered showers offshore now. This is being picked up from our Langley Hill radar that sits in southern Washington on the coast. Most of this is going to push up into the coastline there and up into the coastal mountains of Washington. I don't think we'll see much, but just in case we do, we've got our super sensitive sweep on here, the Portland radar site, so we're going to see if we can't pick anything up out there. Not seeing any so far. The big green blob you see is just bouncing off of trees and buildings and bugs and people out there and anything else that it can at this point, but no showers. 52, the current temperature in Florence right now. We're also sitting at 52 in Eugene. Pair of 54s, Corvallis, Cottage Grove. Still 60 as you get down towards Roseburg. We're going to see another warm day down in Douglas County tomorrow. Right around 50 degrees, so a very mild night so far for everybody, including up in the mountains. And tonight we'll go mostly clear to all clear skies here in the valley and down towards the Umpqua, 47 in Roseburg. And I do think at the coast we'll get enough of a push from that weak front getting closer to us that we'll get just a little bit of coastal fog, and that's about all we'll see for the rest of the night tonight. Now, tomorrow, here's where we'll start. We've got high pressure anchored to the south of us here. We also have the high starting to redevelop behind this very weak cold front. I've still drawn it out there, so it'll give you an indication that as it gets closer to us to late tomorrow afternoon, it will push that marine layer back inland late tomorrow night. So if you're watching us at the coast, you'll start off sunny and probably cloud up by late afternoon, or if you headed out to the coast, the earlier you go, the more sunshine you'll see. Inland, we should be just fine. I'm not expecting any problems in terms of sunshine. Should be a great, nice weekend for us overall. Early Sunday morning, you see the clouds pushing back in, a little bit of coastal drizzle on the south coast, and then gone again by the time we head towards the afternoon. That's when we'll start to see the high pressure really kind of flex its muscles, move right on top of us for most of not only the end of the weekend, but early next week. And that's when I expect to see a big warm up too. So here's how it shakes out. Clear skies for everybody tonight. Sunny and warm again tomorrow. Clouds early Sunday, then sunshine again. And then as we head in towards, let's say, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, we've got a nice big warm up coming, almost July-like forecast for the beginning of June here, which is the start of meteorological summer, by the way. So there you go. Mostly sunny skies at the coast for tomorrow. We'll be looking at temperatures low 60s south coast, upper 50s central coast, and then again some drizzle. And I think clouds will stick around mostly on Sunday. And we're back to a couple of nice clear days to start early next week. In the Umpqua Basin, sunny and warm for tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. A little cooler with the clouds. I think they'll hang on probably through about lunchtime and then start to clear out by the afternoon. As we head to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're in the mid-80s. It'll be very warm forecast. Cascades, temperatures there will be in the low to mid-60s, freezing levels at around 12,000 feet, that is. 75 degrees overall in through the Bend to Redmond area tomorrow. A bit cooler with some high clouds Sunday, but then it's into the 80s. Very, very seasonable or unseasonable forecast, warming up nicely in through early next week. And then finally in the valley, sunny and warmer for tomorrow, back into the mid-70s, bit cooler, similar to what we saw today. I think we'll see the morning clouds back Sunday, but otherwise Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're talking low 80s. And tomorrow, a lot of folks, I know a lot of Duck and Beaver fans out there probably don't have fingernails left after the game. So I'm not going to steal Jake Zivit's thunder because he's got highlights, but let's hope they can get a little quicker tomorrow, guys.
I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. If you're under a nice sky, you know, it's kind of fun to have a little excitement as long as, you know, they win for those Ducks and Beavers fans.
As long as your team wins,
then
Yeah, exactly.
why not make it dramatic?
Good point.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.